Today we are doing an oil and filter change on the 1.2 liter PureTech engine. You'll need new oil, a new filter and a crush washer. For tools, a filter wrench or pliers, an 8mm hex key and a 10mm socket. For oil spec, check the Total Energies website. They are the official oil partner of Stellantis. Let's start by opening the oil cap and getting the car up. Secured with jack stands or wooden blocks. Underbody shield comes off first, 14 screws, oil 10mm. Use the 8mm hex drive to remove the drain plug. Slightly warm oil drains faster, so don't do this completely cold. Also wear rubber gloves, unlike me in this video. For the filter, wrench or pliers to break it loose. Before it comes all the way off, slip a Ziploc bag over it to keep the mess down. Then unscrew and drop it in the pan. While the oil is draining, swap the crush washer on the drain plug. Thread it back in by hand, then torque to 30 Nm. Wipe off any old oil. Before the new filter goes on, lube the gasket. Pre-filling is recommended, but not mandatory. Thread it on until the gasket touches, then 3/4 of a turn more by hand. No wrench needed. Pour in around 90% of the recommended capacity first. Start the engine and let it run for a minute. Shut it off, wait 2 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick. Three-quarters on the scale is where you want it. Top up in small amounts if needed. Last thing, reset the service interval. Ignition off, press and hold the trip odometer button, then turn ignition to the on position while still holding it. A countdown appears. Hold until it hits 0. That's your service done. Until next time.